Have you ever seen or heard of a coniferous forest? Conifers are evergreens, which means that they keep their leaves or needles year-round. A pine is a common conifer found all over the Northern Hemisphere. It can be used as a model of the seed production process in all gymnosperms. Let's go over the life cycle of a conifer. The adult sporophyte, the pine tree, develops both male and female cones on separate branches. Female cones develop 2 ovules on the upper surface of each cone's scale. Each ovule contains haploid megaspores. Male cones produce microspores by meiosis. The microspores develop into pollen grains. Each winged pollen grain is a 4-cell male gametophyte. The female gametophyte grows, producing 2 or more archegonia, each of which contains an egg. During pollination, a wind-borne pollen grain falls near the opening in one of the ovules of the female cone. Each male gametophyte forms a pollen tube that penetrates the tissue of the female gametophyte. When the pollen tube has grown into the archegonium, a sperm cell from the male gametophyte fertilizes the egg. The zygote develops into an embryo and a mature seed is produced. The female cone opens, releasing the seeds. When the conditions are favorable, the seed germinates into a new young sporophyte, a pine tree seedling.